Grace often wished for a brother or sister to play with. Her parents were busy with work and she often felt lonely being the only child. One day, while playing in the attic, Grace stumbled upon an old dusty box of her mother's belongings. In it was a diary from her teenager years. Grace's mom wrote about struggling with being an only child herself. She had craved for siblings but never got any. Grace was surprised by this revelation about her mom's childhood. It seemed being the only child in the family ran in the family line. Only children have existed since the dawn of human history. For much of the past, having an only child was common due to high infant mortality rates. As healthcare improved in the 20th century, family sizes grew. Being an only child became less typical. However, in recent decades, more couples started having one child due to greater cost of living and more women pursuing careers. While only children are stereotyped as spoiled or lonely, studies show they can make great friends and teammates. Growing up with undivided parental attention and less competition with siblings, only children tend to be high achievers and independent. However, they face more expectations to care for aging parents alone and can feel the loss of family history deeply when their parents pass on. On National Only Child Day, only children come together to share experiences of growing up without siblings. Some reminisce about their upbringing, discussing both joys and challenges. Others swap advice for only children still growing up or who are new parents of an only child. Charitable events are also organized where only children and their families volunteer or raise funds for good causes. By giving back to the community, they highlight the compassion and kindness that comes with their unique position in the family and society. Some people celebrate with sibling traditions they never had, like baking cookies together, watching movies from their childhood, or trading jokes or fun facts about their families. Though separated by age and geography, they form a bond over being only children. For Grace, learning about her mom's childhood experiences changed her perception of being an only child. She realized that while sisters and brothers can be blessings, being the only one has its own benefits. Most heartening of all, she found comfort knowing that she was not alone in this, as there were others on the same journey of life as only children. April 12 is National Only Child Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Only Child Day. Cheers!